All right, one of the products that is going to be a must-have if you're going to be starting up a lemonade business is what are you going to contain all your water in? And every pretty much health department in every county and state pretty much all demand that if you're going to have like a lemonade style business or food concession business of any sort, you're going to need to have a hand wash sink of some sort. And so we're going to be talking about the Reliance 7-gallon portable jug here. The reason why I recommend this one is because of the fact that all health departments require you to have a on-off type of valve for the water dispensing. You can't have the push style dispensers that you see like on igloos and type of drinking containers from that aspect. The nice thing about the Reliance one is it includes the on-off valve. So basically how they've got it set up is you can basically have it laying on top of your, like a table or a cart like this, and your spout would be here. And I'll just open this up right now to show you. And here is the spout, and obviously you will put it on the outside and set it up, and it's basically on off to shut off valve and whatnot. One of the things I would also recommend is if you do go this route, Reliance sells this valve set up as like a replacement, because if it should break, you have it's like a $5 to $6 part depending where you shop from. I highly recommend it. Keep it if you're going to be a food vendor. Better to be safe than sorry to have one of these repair kits on hand in the event that it should break while you're using the container. So that's a little added peace of mind. The other reason I like about this is it's 7 gallons, so if I'm making lemonade, I can have one of these sitting on the countertop along with how I'm assembling everything, and I could just simply fill the glass up and easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hey, it rhymes. But yeah, now the question is, okay, what do I do when I run out of water? Either I can have additional of these type of jugs to fill up, to continue going. And the other item I've been looking at is using an IBC tote, those big plastic containers with, that are reinforced with cages, galvanized steel cages, and I'm going that route. The prices I've seen, I can get one like a 330-gallon tank, or as little as a 275-gallon tank, depending on what I anticipate that my water needs would be. And then obviously it's going to be transporting it, and that goes into another video which I'll be talking about. But yeah, definitely the Reliance tanks are highly recommended. You can find them on Amazon, but they're a little pricey. I'll have an affiliate link if you want to get one of your own through Amazon, and you can help support the channel. I'll have a link for that, so you can get one, but it's a little pricey. I got mine through a camping supply store that's here locally to me, basically for $19.95. So it does pay around to shop around. I'm actually working with that particular camping website. I've applied to see about joining their affiliate link program, and if I get approved and whatnot, I'll update the affiliate links to that one instead, and that way you can also help support the channel and my efforts on that one. So yeah, if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave me a comment on what you think and all that. So thanks.